not gonna put this on my face. It definitely does give you a glow. Or it could be the fact that my camera's autofocus is acting up. That could be it too. The face to neck ratio is looking pretty good, okay? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is your first time seeing me. Hello, it's your girl Diamond Janay here on YouTube, and as you guys can see by the title, your girl is going to be doing a makeup review for the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter Glow Booster for Radiant Skin Foundation. I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of a long title, but that's what it is. And as you guys can see, this is what the foundation is looking like. And also too, if anybody was wondering, I am in the shade 5 medium / tan, if anybody was wondering. Also as well too, I am gonna go down in the description box and put down, I would say maybe like 3 to 4 other foundations that are also my shade, just to help you girls shade match and whatnot, because I do know, like, me watching other people's makeup reviews and whatnot, sometimes I be wishing like, dang bro, like, I don't know if you're my shade or not, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully by me providing my additional shades and other makeup products, that will help you guys kind of determine what your shade might be if you guys are interested in purchasing this foundation, just to make your life just a little bit easier. So there's that. Also too, the price point for this foundation was $14.99 when I did get it at Target. But yeah, but as you guys can see, this is technically the finished look, but I am going to take you guys along with me. First application, first thoughts, all that other stuff, how it sets, all that good fun stuff. And then also too, definitely do stick towards the end, because your girl is going to be doing a wear test for this foundation as well, just to really put this foundation to the test and really see how it holds up, especially with it being as hot as it's been this summer. Okay, we need to make sure this foundation is going to last and going not make us looking crazy. Okay, but of course, before we start, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay, to your girl down below for more makeup videos, vlogs, just overall lifestyle content, hair reviews, just the normal, you know, girly type of stuff over here. Okay, we do a little bit of everything. All right, and we're going to start doing a little bit of everything. Okay, but yeah, without further ado, let's get started. All right guys, so real quick, hopefully y'all can't hear the fan. If y'all can, I highly apologize. It is hot up in my house, so this bad boy staying on, so hopefully the audio won't be too bad. All right guys, so real quick, my eyes are already done for the most part, just because, listen, I'm one of those girlies. I like to do my eyebrows and my eyes first before I do anything else on my face. Just as how I do it over here. Let's get into the foundation. Finally, when I tell you guys, I have literally had this foundation for close to a month, and I'm just now finally actually using it. Usually when I do product reviews, I try my hardest to use other products from the same company, and unfortunately in this case I did realize a little too late that I do not really have a lot of e.l.f. products per se as far as like the face goes. So I was gonna use this e.l.f. concealer that I literally got forever and a day ago, but y'all, look what this looks like. Like, look at this, like, you can literally see some of the oil. Like, I'm just like, you know what, I'm not gonna put this on my face, but I am going to be using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer to prime my face, so at least the primer is from the same company. Yeah, so I do already have a review on my channel of this product, because I did do a versus video, so I did compare this primer to the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and I still stick with what I say to this day. I still like this one better than the Power Grip. Why can't I say that word, Lord? I do like this better than the Hydro Power Grip. But anyways, but this does not dry down per se, but it is like ready to go for the most part very quickly. So enough of me yip yapping, I'm just gonna go ahead. As you guys can see, it did leave a slight shine on my face as well, which I personally don't mind. The glowier the better. And then the applicator does look like this, as you guys can see. So it's kind of like a concealer applicator, but just a foundation, so you do not get a pump with this, which to me, it doesn't really make a difference either way. So I actually really do like the applicator. Like, it's not messy or anything, and I actually get to save on some of the mess, because again, I usually just pump whatever foundation that I have on my hand and then dot it with my finger anyways. So the way I can just use an applicator instead to do that is actually really nice. So there's that. And then as you guys can see, this definitely is my shade, and it's not even blended in yet. Also, too, quick side note for those of you that may or may not know, I like to match my foundation to my neck and my chest, not my actual face. My actual face is definitely lighter than the rest of my body, but once everything's said and done, I feel like it just looks way better if I use a foundation that matches my neck and my chest, if anybody was wondering. And then also too, I am using the Juno & Co foundation brush that I had gotten off of Amazon like forever and a day ago. I will link that down below if I am able to find the link. But just going off of the initial application, and I don't know for sure if I'm gonna apply more or not. I think I might apply just a little bit more, cause why not? But so far, as you guys can see, it does blend into my skin very, very, very nicely. So far so good. But yeah, so I'm just gonna apply just a little bit more, but nothing crazy, because I'm not the type of girl that likes to look like I got cake face. All right, so this is what my skin is currently looking like. So as you guys can see, I definitely am getting that really nice, pretty glow. I do not see a bunch of different like brush strokes and whatnot along my face, so that's really good. So far so good on that. I will say it definitely does give you a glow. Now that's not a bad thing, because again, that's what it's advertising itself as, so it'd be weird if it doesn't make you look glowy. But with that being said, with this type of product, you definitely have to make sure that you do set it, because if you do not set it, you're gonna end up looking like a grease ball. And quick side note as well too, I have dry to normal skin, but I do tend to get a little bit oily around my nose and my overall T-zone area. So definitely take that information, take with that information as you will, as well as that goes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my concealer and all that other stuff, and then I'll probably jump back on camera with you guys once I set my face, just to show you guys how the foundation sets, and then we can just go from there. All right, y'all, so real quick, so I did apply my concealer, and then I also did apply some banana powder as well. So this is what the skin is currently looking like. So I'm just gonna go in with my handy dandy Sephora Micro Smooth powder, as you guys can see here. Listen, when I told y'all, this is definitely getting rebought, point blank period. This is getting rebought, because I love this powder. Like, this powder is literally like the perfect setting powder in my personal opinion. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go into the pan real quick, and then just apply this to my face, just to set the foundation, and just so it's not looking like, I do like the fact how like even now, like, yes, I did apply powder, so it's not as shiny, but it definitely does still leave like a nice, like almost satin finish in my opinion. Like, as you guys can see here, like it almost looks like I have a filter on in a way. Or it could be the fact that my camera's autofocus is acting up. That could be it too. But so far so good, y'all. I can definitely see myself wearing this foundation for the rest of the summer, because I just love that like natural glowy look, like your skin but better type of vibe. Like, that's the vibes that I be going for, okay? And I just realized I keep looking at my viewfinder instead of like my actual camera lens, so hopefully I'm not gonna be looking crazy throughout this video. So I'm just gonna remember, focus on the lens. But it's just like, y'all, like, I look good. Like, I can't help it, I look good, y'all. It is what it is, okay? But yeah, I did, like, you know, like sometimes you're doing your makeup and you're just having so much fun that you end up low-key like applying too much. So this is gonna be the last little dab I'm gonna do, and then that's it. Okay, that's it. You don't need that much. When it comes to this product, a little goes a long way, and that's why I've had it for so long. But yeah, and excuse my cat, y'all. He's over here acting a little crazy because I wasn't at the house all day because I was at work. So one moment he wants to be all up on me, and the next moment he doesn't want to really be bothered. So he's kind of giving me mixed signals right now, not gonna lie. And now he's sitting on my lap. So real quick, I am just gonna go ahead and wrap this up with finishing the rest of my makeup, jumping back on camera so y'all can see the finished look, and then we can go from there. All right, guys, so this is the finished makeup look. So of course, blush, highlighter, contour, well, bronzer anyway, so that wasn't really trying to be doing all that, to be completely honest, because I want the main focus to be the actual foundation itself. But as you guys can see, this is what my overall face is looking like right now. And yeah, so I definitely am going to be doing a wear test for this foundation, of course. You guys are going to be seeing the end results at the end of the video, but this is what I'm currently looking like right now. Fresh makeup. Like, I literally just got done spraying my setting spray like a minute ago, so this is like fresh makeup. So this is what it's currently looking like. So yeah, but I'm gonna tune back in with y'all probably a little bit later just to give you guys my final results and thoughts on this foundation. But so far so good. Absolutely love it. I was able to shade match myself pretty easily with this foundation, and as you guys can see, the face to neck ratio is looking pretty good. Okay, so I feel like I did a pretty good job with shade matching myself. And again, the product is super smooth. I do feel like it does give you a decent amount of coverage. I feel like I like the fact that this product is very much like, if you want to do like a no makeup type look, you can do that. Or if you do want to do like a full glam, full coverage type of look, you are able to do that. So I definitely do appreciate how versatile this foundation is. And I also do like how, when I say that, okay, so the foundation sets, right, but not in a way where like it dries out your skin or like it's not really movable anymore, but it's not slipping and sliding all over your face is what I'm trying to say. Like, you might think it does based off of like how shiny my face was looking in the beginning when I had first applied it, because again, it is a halo glow. It's supposed to make you glowy. But I will say, definitely after applying the Sephora Micro Smooth powder and then doing the rest of my makeup, I definitely do feel as though the foundation itself did set very nicely. So yeah, but I'm gonna sit back in with y'all in a little bit before I start going off and rambling a little too much. But yeah. Hey, what's up guys? So it is actually the next day, because I'm not gonna hold you guys. I only kept my makeup on, I would say, for about 3 hours total. So I'm like, okay, whatever. I have a birthday party I have to go to tomorrow, aka today. So I'm like, okay, let me just go ahead and just redo my makeup and call it a day. So this time around I did more of like a natural type of beat, so like no eyelashes, eyeliner, none of that. But I did do my full face, and it has been a total of 7 hours since I did my makeup. So I think now is the time to show you guys what everything is looking like. So again, I have had this makeup on for 7 hours. So as you guys can see, like the blush is barely there, highlighter is barely there, contour is barely there, because I did bronze my face. I didn't use like an actual like concealer to contour. I just used a quick bronzer like yesterday. But this is what my face and my skin overall is looking like. So honest, and mind you, this is like with a ring light, and we all know ring light is a lot more less forgiving, I feel like, compared to natural lighting. But I definitely will recommend this foundation. Definitely 10 out of 10. This is actually going to be my new go-to foundation whenever I do decide to do a full makeup look with foundation. But overall, I definitely would recommend this foundation. 10 out of 10. I have no complaints. Like, I even had a situation where I think it's technically my great nephew, because he's my nephew's son. But anyways, but like he actually was like playing like sucking on his fingers and stuff, and then he actually like wiped my face by accident. Well, not even by accident, because babies be doing whatever babies be doing, but like even like my nose got touched, like right in this area got touched. But it still looks pretty good overall. And on top of that, I was touching my face here and there throughout the day, because again, I'm not used to wearing makeup on a regular basis, like a full like face, foundation, all that stuff. So yeah, overall, like I said before, everything turned out pretty good. I don't have a lot of like pores peeking through like crazy. Again, like I said before, ring light lighting is a lot less forgiving in my opinion. So imagine even in natural light. Like, I'm looking at myself now, and it's just like, bro, like this literally looks like my skin but better. Like, it's like I literally Facetune my face, but like in person, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this foundation review. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below if you want more content like this. Beauty content, hair reviews, lifestyle content, vlogs, chit chats, all that good fun stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day or evening or whatever time you guys happen to be watching this, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one.